definitely done an amazing job. But for me, I would want to look at it a bit slightly different. I think that for us in the governance space and the discourse sector, what we always say that if you really, really want to know the priorities of a government or the priorities of a country, what you need to look at is the budget. Leave alone all these manifestos, some policy documents. The real direction of a country is reflected in the budget, because ultimately it boils down to resources and being able to allocate most of those resources for management purposes. And for us, I think for us really looking at the trajectory that we've taken in the last couple of years, we've noticed that there is definitely a very significant shift in how budget is handled, and probably I would be able to explain that. But just to also highlight is that the national budget really is the clearest expression of our values as a country, interest, but also really allocating our priorities. And so for me, when I look at this specific budget, before I look into the question that you've asked, two things. We've had a fundamental shift in terms of how we look budget, and this also must be emphasized that for budget, it's a political tool, and that countries, governments, ideally use budget to realize most of their visions, but also where they want to take the country. And to that end, if the budget does not feed into the interest of the people, serve much of the interest of the people, then definitely it is a shift. The second point that I thought I would emphasize is around the kind of budgeting system we operate as a country. Actually, while we put a lot of blame and focus in